Welcome to Study Smash. And today, we are gonna be creating a table in an SQL, which is a very simple and easy task. Now, very still, written for the beginners. So, first of all, you have to install SQL workbench. You can install a new version of it. I am currently using Workbench 8.0 CG. You can use anyone; it will work the same. So starting with it, we have to first create a table with a command create table and the name of the table. For example, I'm giving the name YouTube students. Okay, YouTube students. See, and you have to open up a bracket and a close one, and then you have to add a semicolon with it. Okay. So just remember one thing, that all the work that we'll be doing in between these brackets. We have to create attributes because a table contains multiple row values that we are going to give it in between them. So first of all, we are giving it a student ID. Considering student ID is 001, 002, 003. Anything that contains a number. Anything that contains a number is an integer value. So to write an integer value, we write it as int and SQL. Okay. Table contains multiple rows, so we have to add another column to it, another row to it. I'm adding a name, student name. Okay. I'm gonna be giving it a pie chart. Pie chart is the sum of all characters, and you have to give the space to in between them. So I'm giving it 30, and here we go. Now to be on a safer side, now we can add another attribute. We can name it as a course. Course, and the watch out with the same 30 space. Okay. There is a concept to merge multiple tables together and to use one table ready to another. We use it to do a primary key. A primary key is basically a key. There is a unique ID. Okay. Primary key is a unique ID. Okay. How can we add a primary key here? We can see that an ID, student ID, is something unique. Everyone has got different unique ID, so we can name it as a state here. But just to another thing. In primary key and stem. Okay, now your student ID is a primary key. So to run this, first of all, as a creator database, I would prefer to run line by line. As see first, I'm gonna be running this one. To run it, you have to just control and accelerate. It works, it runs. And the second is, as a creator table, I'm gonna be running the whole table. Control enter sim. Is done. Okay. So now to check what we have in our table, we have to write a command, describe, and the name of your table, student, YouTube student, sorry. Okay. Okay, so after writing this whole code, there was a bit of error. Actually, I made up about table of a YouTube student name, so it was showing me as a duplicate. So in case if something happens with you, then you can just change the name of your table and then try to execute it, as I did. All I did here is that I have just created this table, and the only motivation that I've done right now is this: select all from YouTube student. It will select everything that is available in the table, as the table contains nothing right now, so that's why it's showing us nothing. But you can see there's a tick. and it is executed. So the another command that we are going to list is an alter command. What do we do with an alter command? Through alter command, we can modify and things to our table. For example, if you missed if you missed your row and you want to add a new row to it, then you can just put an alter command, alter table, in the name of your table, YouTube students, and the thing that you want to add. And want to be rating on GPA column table with a GPA. We all know that GPA consists of decimals. So for decimals, we want to use a decimal here. A decimal can be now floating points. So we're going to be giving it up points 3 and 2. Okay. And it's here you can see that I've executed the whole code that contains the last code that I did in the order, and also got executed without any errors. So this is all from today's video. I hope you get it, how to create a table and how to alter the changes in that table. These are all the things that we have covered in this video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe mission. Thank you.